Hello, I'm Diego Angel and I'm a CIS major. Hello guys, I'm Diego and today we're gonna see how to do horizontal tables in Excel using the functions HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So before that, we're gonna select all of the columns that have the table in it since we don't see the number correctly, and we're gonna make it bigger just to make everything more comfortable. Okay, we're gonna get started by going back to it and going to cell B3, and we're gonna put the zip code that they were given to us. It's this case is 396. After that, we're gonna start our first equation of the day, which is gonna be HLOOKUP. We start by doing equal sign and then HLOOKUP. You can write it right here, the equation, but I prefer to click on FX, which give us all this in the right side of the computer in Mac. And we're gonna start by putting B3, which is the zip code on lookup value. After that, in table array, we're gonna select this array right here. We can just click command and drag it all the way to the right side. Okay, after doing that, we can go back to make everything is well done. For that, we're gonna go to the row index, and since it's a horizontal table, we start from the top. In this case, 1, 2, which the cities are over there. And now we put false as the range lookup value in the logical, and it's gonna give us the city of Alpharetta. Now we click done, and we check everything's fine. Yep, everything's correct. Now, as our second equation of the day, we're gonna put XLOOKUP on cell B5. We're gonna do the same as the last task, and we're gonna click FX to have this on the right side. And we don't have to fill all of them, we just gotta fill the first three. And the first one, we're gonna do the same B3 for a lookup value, which is the zip code. In the lookup array, we're gonna do this one right here, which is gonna be the zip code. And for the second one, our return array, the information we want to return to us, it's gonna be the first one, the counties. So we just select it and go all the way to the right side. Okay, now as we can see, we have full to counter here, and we just go back to make sure it matches our information. Yep, as we can see, it matches our information correctly. And now for our third task, we're gonna use the sum if function of cell uh, B5 to calculate the income that was reported to the IRS in the county identified in cell B5. For that, our range, our first value, is going to be our counties in the table array. So we select all the way from the left side to the right side. Perfect. Now our criteria is going to be the county itself. So we're going to put the cell B5. Nice. And now for some range, it's going to be the income itself, since we get a report and make the calculation from the income in the county selected. So we go to income, we select all the way from the left side to the right side, and there you got it. That's the income reported to the IRS in the county selected. Nice. Now, to make sure the task A and B were made correctly, we're going to change our zip code to demonstrate how HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP works. So we erase the first zip code and we put this new one, which is going to be 396. Oh, sorry guys, I put an extra zero. Let me fix it real quick. And there you have it. There's the new county, new income, and new city. Since we don't see it here, for our last task, we're gonna sort our table. Make sure to not select the cell, the column B, just to not change the titles. We select it all. We make sure everything is selected correctly. We go to sort, and since it's a horizontal table, we start from the top, which is gonna be row 10. There you go. And make sure in options you guys selected sort left to right, since it's a horizontal table, and we sort C to A. We click OK. And there you got it, guys. This is how you show sorting in Excel and demonstrate XLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Thank you very much. What's the scariest plant in the world? The bamboo.